I don't think we have enough people.
I know, and we have to go soon. It's gonna get dark.
Who sent you?
Macbeth?
I don't think we should be suspicious of him. I mean, he knows why we're here.
Join us. It is almost sunset, and if we want to get this done early, before dark, we're going to need another man.
Stop! I think I hear snowshoes. It's gonna get dark soon. We'll need a flashlight. Okay.
There he is! Right on time.
He's taking off his snowshoes.
They usually do. Everybody does.
Guys, I think I see a flashlight.
It's him!
Get ready, man.
It's gonna snow tonight.
Let it snow.
Let it snow.
Let it snow!
Oh my God! Run, my son, run! I will get my revenge.
Father, I can't leave you!
I jump in front of a train for ya. You know I'd do anything for ya. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, babe.
So who killed him?
Weren't those the instructions?
And, I think we have a problem.
What?
The sun got away.
We've lost. We failed half our mission.
Well,